Now, we come to file handling. In PHP has the ability to deal with files, different files, based on different formats in which they appear. The PHP file handling function can go as much as creating a new file, opening a file, reading from a file, and even writing into a file, depending on what function you want to use it for. So let's go ahead. Let's say you are creating a software whereby it's going to print out user receipt, and or it's going to generate something like that, or let's say it's going to get some information and print it out in form of data. So the file handling part of PHP also allows you to be able to create a file and echo it out and print it out to the user. So the readfile function. The readfile function reads a file and writes it to the output buffer. Assume that we have a text file called udevelop.txt stored on the server that looks like this. We can use our readfile function to open out and read what we have in this file out. Now, let's say we have a file. I've already created a file called txt and let's say I have a list of persons here. Let's go ahead and echo this. No, sorry, this is the wrong file. Let me save it back. Let me discard it. I have it here. Okay, udevelop.txt containing this lot of different programming languages or scripting languages, and I can come back and say, okay, what do I want to do? I want to read the file, right? I want to read the file with the name of udevelop.txt, right? I want to read the file with this name. I go back to my browser and forget, I have to clear this out, and I reload, and now you see it can read out whatever we have. Note that it didn't break it. It just brings it out the same way because the work was not formatted. So it explains and it opens the file and reads out what we have in the file. So we can see what the read file do. If we have another one, let's say I have another file here called tst, put tst and go and reload, it brings out what we have in it. So we can see that the read file is a function in PHP that allows you to open up a document and read out what you have in the document.